Autism is a brain development disorder that first occurs in early childhood. It most usually affects a child's motor coordination and behavior, social skills, as well as language and attention during development. In many instances, affected individuals display compulsive behaviors, favored activities, and heightened interest in specific subjects. Different forms of condition include autism, childhood disintegrative disorder, Asperger's syndrome, and pervasive developmental disorder, which were previously considered separate. More and more children every year are affected by autism, and the CDC has even announced research that suggests that as many as 1 in every 45 children in the US display signs of autism. However, if you have a child suffering with autism, don't despair. There is emerging scientific evidence and new research studies coming out that shows autism can be effectively treated and fully reversed. In other words, there have been a large amount of children diagnosed with autism that went on to live a healthy life without limitation from this disease that was once thought to be incurable, and parents are encountering large success rates using them. In today's video, Nature Crazy goes over its top 8 tips proven through science and nature to reversing autism. 1. Having your child supplement with a heavy metal detoxifier like Humifulvate on an ongoing daily basis is a smart idea because emerging evidence supports the theory that some autism spectrum disorders, ASDs, may result from a combination of genetic biochemical susceptibility, specifically reduced ability to excrete mercury from the body. Mercury is one specific kind of heavy metal that can quickly be absorbed in the womb or after birth through assorted channels, and the blood-brain barrier is much more vulnerable in the early years of developing children. Treatments suggest that autism sufferers who undergo protocols to reduce mercury and/or its effects can show significant clinical improvements. So, an ongoing detox routine to keep mercury and other heavy metals low in our bodies is highly recommended. We recommend using the brand Immune Boost 77 on a daily basis since it's a great natural detoxifier of heavy metals like mercury. 2. Supplementing your child with additional iodine on a regular basis is recommended because a study revealed autistic children were shown to have iodine levels 45% lower than the standard range. Without proper amounts of iodine, your thyroid stops functioning properly and fails to produce enough hormones to support metabolism and normal immune health, which can lead to thyroid problems and mental retardation. Additionally, if there isn't enough iodine in a body, then the process of neuronal migration, which requires the conversion of triiodothyronine into thyroxine, cannot take place. In other words, low thyroid function can also be a contributing factor in autism, and the researchers say that findings are consistent with studies suggesting altered thyroid function in both autistic children and their parents. We recommend working up to 4 to 5 drops a day of quality iodine like Iosol. 3. Having your child supplement with Lithium Orotate daily is recommended because a study revealed that autistic children as well as their mothers shows deficient levels of lithium. A lack of lithium in the body during pregnancy negatively impacts fetal maturation as well as brain development. And decreased levels of lithium are also linked to combativeness and reduced normal sociability. Lithium also protects against glutamate toxicity, which plays an important role in learning and memory. So, getting enough of it will be critical for recovery. We recommend a high-quality brand of Lithium Orotate 1 to 2 times a day. 4. Consider having your child supplement with omega-3 fatty acids daily. The reasoning is that fatty acids in the brain are important for brain function, so supplementation with omega-3 fatty acids will help reduce symptoms of autism and improve learning. A double-blind, randomized placebo-controlled pilot study showed fatty acid supplements can remarkably improve the behavior of autistic children and also help reduce inflammation in the body. We recommend krill oil, which is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. 5. The lowering of vitamin D levels over the last few decades is thought to be another associated aspect in the rise of autism, so having your child supplement with vitamin D on a regular basis is recommended. A study revealed that vitamin D deficiency has higher impact in autistic children compared to healthy children, and doctors in China are revealing that supplementation with vitamin D appeared to yield powerful improvements in toddlers with autism. This association has still not been examined in detail, but it seems to be a correlated component considering the effects of vitamin D has on protecting the mitochondria and on upregulating glutathione. Make sure to get adequate sunshine or get vitamin D supplements daily. 6. Studies have shown that autistic children have a defect in methylation, so we recommend supplementing with a specific type of folate that is known for permeating the blood-brain barrier along with methyl B12. Methylation is the process of taking a single carbon and 3 hydrogens, known as methyl group, and applying it to critical functions in your body. Methylation also involves the use of folic acid on the cells and is of course involved in the removal of toxins. About a fourth of the population actually has a methylation complication, but the disparity is their body did not acquire a toxin that they were not able to eventually defeat and clear out of the body. We recommend using MethylGuard by Thorne Research on a regular basis to fix the methylation problem. 7. Supplementing with RNA extracted from Saccharomyces cerevisiae is another practical treatment for autism, and parents with autistic children have seen noticeable improvements with their use. Genetic predisposition to autism may include both differentiations in the coding regions of DNA and differentiations in the modulation of gene expression. A newly identified component for the modulation of gene expression is non-coding RNAs, and modifications in these non-coding RNAs could likely be connected in the occurrence of autism. Correcting a particular genetic DNA defect is currently not clinically feasible, since gene therapy is still years away from application. But providing the complementary specific RNA nucleotide to correct the original defective DNA blueprint can be accomplished. In other words, supplementing with RNA can help correct the problem downstream at the RNA level. We recommend using Dr. Yasko's RNA products, which are specifically designed to reconstruct biological metabolism and is an upgrade over the other RNA products. She has also authored 2 books about autism and brain diseases, which we also highly recommend. 8. Supplementing with a high-quality probiotic daily is recommended because there is a growing amount of medical research indicating that alterations in gut bacteria may be a major factor in the development of gastrointestinal disturbances that are very commonly seen in children with autism spectrum disorders. In fact, a recent study from Finland is the first to show that probiotic supplementation at a young age may be an efficient way to lower the growing tide of brain disorders in children with ADHD and autism spectrum disorders. Taking a high-quality probiotic once a day will help maintain intestinal health and repair the lining of the gut. These are our 8 recommendations to reversing autism. We hope that you found the answers you were looking for and realize that there is a proactive approach you can take to reversing this disorder. We also encourage you to check out the additional links at the bottom of this page to other helpful resources, including a website that features hundreds of testimonies from parents with children that have overcome this disorder. If you like this video and want updates on cutting-edge hair, skin, and health tips, just subscribe to this video below and check out our website at naturecrazy.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.